Hello guys, today I will show you how to spin up your Windows 10. You can boost up your performance. So this is the best optimized setting. First, go to your start button, find your icon setting, go to the system and find your storage. Click and press this, enable it. When you enable the storage, it will be automatically free up the space by getting rid of the file you don't need, like temporary files and content in your recycle bins. So guys, the solution number 2 is the startup button. By here to search at your search box, search the task manager, click here and find your startup button, click. So by disabling the apps from automatic startup, you can free a lot of system resources. So you can choose here what you want to enable and disable. I hope you've done that. So let's go to the solution number 3. So the solution number 3 is to reduce recycles bin limits. Don't ever think it's simple things. It's play a huge part of your system capability because it's using your storage of your system drive. If your system drive is full, and your Windows will become laggy, become unresponsive. It is a fact. If you want, you can check that yourself. The way to always keep your C drive unexhausted, I hope you understanding the point of limiting the data that your recycle bin can store. So let me show you how to do that. First, go to your recycle bins. You can see at your desktop icon. Right click and go to the properties. Now go to customize size. As you can see, it is written in MBs. So let's dive in to 10,000 or 15,000, which will set your recycle bins limits to 10 or 15 gigs. Now click apply and you're done. The solution number 4, better power plan. You may not hear about the term power plan in Windows before unless you are an advanced user. So let me tell you a short brief about the power plan before changing it to a new one, so that you can understand how much of a performance jumps you will get just by changing your power plan on your Windows 10 PC. First, you go to your search box and open the control panel and you find your hardware and sound. Go to your power options. So basically we will have 3 different power plans available in the Windows by default, and those are the balance. So here you can see, as this is my custom plan. So if you don't see what are the 3 different power fan that are available in your Windows, you can see at your left corner. It have a creep power plan. You may just click and you will go to this. So this is what I said just now. We have 3 balance as recommended, power saver and high performance. So we can set it. So we need to change high performance and click next. and just click. Okay, so high performance and power saver power plan and the default power plan choice of the Windows will be the balance option. So if you check for the currently enabled power plan on your control panel, it could be the balance option. For a quick boost, you can quickly choose the high performance power plan. It may also be hidden under the addition plans tab. So make sure to check there as well. But wait, we have a more powerful plan hidden inside the Windows 10 itself. So let me show you how to enable that one. And I am pretty sure that you don't need more explanation about all the three power plans pretty much that are self-explanatory. So let's focus on the fourth, the hidden power plans, which is the unlimited power plan option. It is the most powerful plan amongst the available power plans, as well as it is a great choice if you are really serious about your computer. Hardware performance, especially if you are the persons who does some heavy workloads or hardcore gaming on the system, I only recommend this for power user, and you won't gonna find it in here until we'll do a little tricks. So let's go ahead and unveil the hidden master, the unlimited power mode. Now go to start button, right click on it, and it will bring this to short menu. Now go ahead and pick this window PowerShell. So you need to select Windows PowerShell admin. It is important to pick the PowerShell with admin's rights, so keep that in mind. So we just paste here and press enter. So be sure to check there as well. I already paste at the description below. Now you can see it say something in here. That means we are successfully unlocked our new and powerful power plan in Windows 10. So let's head over to the power option settings in the control panels. So just go to your start menu search box and go to your control panel and get back to your hardware and sound. Select the power options. So as you can see, we have new default ultimate performance. So select, and we haven't done yet because we have to show one more things about your new power plan, so it could become even more useful. It's nothing but boosting the performance further, but to control it furthermore as the way you please. Go ahead and click on the change plan setting for the ultimate performance plans. From here, choose change advanced settings, which will open this small windows, and this whole list of options will be revealed to you so that you can make furthermore adjustment to your new power plan. For example, you can control the processor power management. Where you can dial in your preferred performance for your processor in between its minimum or maximum state. And you can go here to power button lead option and change your computer power button behavior. You can program it to do any of these following tasks, and whenever you press them, it will act accordingly. So you will need to play around with this setting and you might find more useful things. Solution number 5, bloatware removal. Bloatware is simply means unwanted software or application include by the manufacturer when you buy a new computer, and usually this happen when you buy laptops, and in most cases they will only available for trial period, so many of them are really useful or total waste. And the most disappointing fact is that it will also take part of our valuable storage as well. So let's head over and get rid of every unwanted bloatware. Go to your settings and select the apps. Now you will find your bloatware. So you can remove which installer that you don't want. And click again uninstall. And here we go. Now do this to every other bloatware and you're done. Solution number 6. Disable user account control. Windows do always want to warn you whenever you install a program or change an important setting by popping up a dialog box and making you click OK to continue. Do you ever think, even bother about warning you when you already know what you're doing? Great questions. Just disable user account control to end these endless annoying pop dialog boxes and fill the flow. To do that, search user account in your search box. Now slide this bar all the way down to never notify. Click OK. And if you see the warning pop for one last time, click OK to continue. Solution number 7. Windows updates. I know it sounds silly, but an outdated system may cause serious performance issue. So it's a things that you should take into consideration. If you're looking for serious performance out of your Windows 10 PC, so let me show how to do that as fast as possible. If you a newbie to Windows 10, just press Windows and I on your keyboard, which launch the Windows setting, and from here go to Update and Security. Now, under the sub-menu Windows Update, you will find a button called Check for Update and click on it. And now it will be checking for the newest Windows update and will be installed automatically. If anything available, in case if you don't know, it might require a system restart in order to get the new update in its full effects. That's the solution number 7. Solution number 8. Clean C drive. This cleanup is a Windows default utility which helps to clean unnecessary files from your local disk. It can be used to clean any of your local disks, but we are showing you how to clean your C drive because this is the performance oriented video, and as we said, cleaning your C drive will definitely have a positive impact on your system performance. So let me show you how to do that real quick. Go to search box and search this cleans up. Press enter, which will open up this tiny little window from here. Choose the C drive. Already some of the items are ticked to be clean by default. If you want, you can go with the defaults, but we are selecting each and every item listed here. So when you done, click on the clean up system file button under here. So it will run a quick scan, and once it finished, you can see it's found some unwanted items. So scroll down and click through them all. Once you did and click OK, you will be asked, are you sure want to permanently delete this file? So click on delete files and you will be free from all of those junks. So from your C drive collected over decades. Solution number 9, speed up shutdown. It is true that over the years Windows have improved and changed dramatically. It can boot up pretty much fast as well, but when it comes to shut down or restart your Windows 10 computer, it also takes time. But you have used by any chance a Windows PC 2 decades ago, it can shut down as soon as you hit its power. It is because nowadays Windows have to wait a long time before exiting any program you have running, and sometimes Windows 10 even stop. Wait for you until you force the application to close. It could be even a notepad in which you have written something, forget to save and exit. So let me show you how to speed up your Windows 10 shutdown real quick. There is a last thing that you need to do. It is not related to software, but to increase Windows 10's performance, further upgrade your computer hardware with SSD. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe and comment this video.